To export a video from DaVinci Resolve, the first thing that you need to do is navigate to the delivery page. Over here at the top we have all the presets that are ready for us. For example, if you want to export your video and to be uploaded on YouTube, you can select this and choose the preferable resolution. But this is only a quick way. If you want to maximize the quality, then we need to do the custom version. So let's get started. The first thing is to rename your video. Let's put forest for this example and location. Choose your preferable location and save. The next thing is in rendering either in or out or the entire timeline. Sometimes if you want to render a portion of your video, just place your playhead wherever you want and press I, and do the same thing on the end. Wherever you want to stop, press O. And this, everything that is down under this gray line will be exported. But if you want to do the regular way, just do the entire timeline and all of your videos will be exported. One more thing while we are here, on this side, if you press single clip, this is the default version, everything will be rendered in one clip. But if you select individual, every single video will be rendered as individual video. So let's press single clip. Next thing that we need to do is choose the format. This is the standard format MP4, and you can choose always QuickTime if you want. Those two are the best ones. So from codec, 264 is the standard industry, but if you have some problem or if you want to save on space, this is the newer codec that take lower space, but on some computers it's not supported. So let's go with 264. Next thing is the resolution. If your video is full HD, choose 1920 by 1080. But if you want to go in 4K, choose this one, 3840 by 2860 Ultra HD. Next thing is the frame rate. So if you need to match your footage with frame rates with this one. So for example, in our case, it's 23,976. Then quality. I always put automatic because I see the best result. Otherwise, you can restrict here in kilobytes per second. Next thing that we need to choose is advanced option and scroll down. You can select this force sizing to highest quality. For example, if you shoot the first clip and the third clip with one camera, for example 4K, and the other one is shoot with other camera 2.7K, if you select this force sizing to highest quality, it will scale up, it will convert the footage to match the rest of them. Next thing that we will visit is the audio. From audio codec, always choose AAC and scroll down to the highest quality. After that, you can press Add to render queue and your video will pop up here. Now we are ready to export. You just need to press render all. But we are not done yet. If you want this to be your default preset, so you don't need to change all the settings every single time, you can go here in these three little dots and save as a new preset. Let's call it a custom preset. And when you press OK, there it is. It's custom preset. So every single time when you press on this, all your settings are saved from the last time. And if we want to export one more time, let's put forest 1, add to render queue. Now our video, it's over here. So you can choose whatever you want to be rendered, or you can select all of them and press render all. That's it for today's tutorial. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.